Hello people, it's time for another quilt and plant update from the Sustainable Quilter. And I've been calling it plant and quilt update today because let's accept the fact that I love their new baby! Okay, let's accept the fact that I love my plants a lot and that I talk about them too. I all had 2 babies of my pepper plants, but now I discover I have a third one. 1, 2, 3. And it's almost time to eat the first baby. It's amazing. Well done, plant. These are my mandarin ones. These are paprika plants. I want to see, I give them away, so it's good to grow them. And these ones I made twist together because, it was not, it was falling. This one was falling, so now they're together. Flowers are going well. I think this room is good for plants. This is my biggest tree, the biggest pepper. Oh, this is an overview of my quilting room. You see a lot of plants. This one is going well. I'm not sure what it was. Some kind of flower. These ones are going well as well. Also some kind of flower. It was full. But as I was saying, this is my biggest paprika plant. It's looking amazing. You see, I have here a big pile of quilts. My quilt update is that Thursday I have a mini storytelling event of 15 minutes where I'm going to talk about quilting. And this is me trying to figure out the story. I'm going to do it based on quilts. This is my tree from the food forest. And as you can see, it's growing bigger and bigger. Especially now I put it more in the light. And it's wonderful. It's really wonderful. It's doing so well. These are the new plant friends I have. And this is also a good pepper plant. See? This one has very flamboyant leaves. I like how pepper plants all have a different personality. This one hasn't got any flowers yet, but it still looks beautiful. This is a quilting project I'm working on now. Because my sewing machine is not cooperating. Somehow it's not pushing the fabric forward and I don't know why. And until I figured out, I'm working on this one. It's a duvet cover. And I want to see, I'm experimenting with knotting with embroidery thread. As you can see, it's just 2 pieces of fabric. But sometimes that's enough to make a beautiful quilt. And I'm tying, as you can see. And making a little bow or knot at the end. This is how I'm finishing the quilt. As an experiment for you as well, to see if this technique will do. So, and it's very soft. It's my way of trying to figure out a way to quilt with a duvet cover. Because I think it will be very hard to quilt through. But knotting might be the solution to use it anyway. This is the memory quilt I have. It's almost finished, but I cannot work on it now because the sewing machine doesn't work. And I think that's most of the projects. Oh, I can show you also my bedroom. Also with plants. With a coat I once dyed yellow with onion skins, but I don't like yellow, so I might try to make it orange with henna. And these are some things I also get from Tessa's grandmother. See how cute the sheep is? I'm planning to turn them into a wonderful project where mothers can remake old toys into new ones to comfort their kids. This is also a pile of fabric I got from Tessa's mother. It's all washed and folded. I'm so pleased with that. And this is from the place in Arnhem. Another tree, you see, they don't stand on their own. That's why they get the strange growth now. I don't know how to fix it. See? But yeah, it will be fine. I have a mirror. And this is another tree, but this one somehow isn't growing flowers. So I think this room is not suitable for plants like that. But I hope it will change. Because they're also not growing as quickly as in the other room. And this one, it's growing, but it's not growing as quickly. So I don't know why, but this room is not suitable for plants. But it's next to the other one. Could it be that I am not as present in this room as the other one? I don't know. I'm curious if you know. But and this is the preparation section for my workshops. So I know that whenever I have to go, the only thing I have to take is a suitcase and some of the materials here. It helps me organize. Yeah, everything at one go. And this is another interesting project. With my quilting guild, we're doing a round robin where you make a piece of a quilt and then you send it to somebody else and they add. And now I'm supposed to add a border to this one. So yeah, this is the quilt update. Wish you a very nice day and bye bye. I've forgotten to show you something in the update. The floating duckies. Because before I quilt with something, I prepare it, and that's usually by washing it in either a washing machine on very high heat, so it can get, and if it survives that, it's good to go with the fabric, or I wash it by hand if it's dainty. These are chicks' egg warmers I'm going to use in a quilt. So yeah, I wanted to show you that one. So now let me say goodbye and have a nice week.